With the OilQuick system, the hydraulic hoses and electrical cables are connected in the same locking movement as the attachment. OilQuick eliminates this problem since the hoses are always fitted to ensure they're properly protected. The OilQuick tilt rotator functions as a hydraulic wrist, which tilts and rotates its attachment. Couple it to a slope bucket and you get the ideal combination for planning and grading jobs. But there'll be times when you can do without the added weight and height of the tilt rotator and need to replace it with a large bucket, hydraulic hammer or ripper toe. With an OilQuick coupler fitted to the top of the unit, it takes just seconds to change the attachments and saves fuel, boosts digging capacity, reduces maintenance needs and extends the working life of your tilt rotator. Hydraulic hammers, cement cutters, steel cutters, sorting grabs, magnets and general purpose buckets are among the most commonly used tools of the trade. Running a demolition site comprising excavator, site assistant, porter cabins, operations management, etc. would normally cost about 150 to 250 euros per hour. On this basis, an investment in OilQuick would prove profitable after just 2 to 3 changes of hydraulic attachments per day.